I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the battery so you won't damage electronics. Label each connector with tape and a number. Take a clear photo of wiring for reference. Next, use a Phillips #00 and spudger to remove the 4 perimeter screws and gently pry the shell open. Work slowly to avoid cracking plastic. Those first few minutes save time later and make reassembly straightforward. Once the shell is off, set screws aside in a container and expose the head internals for inspection. You now inspect internal components, turn gears and move servos by hand to find binding or play. Use a multimeter to check power rails and sensor continuity so you know whether the failure is electrical or mechanical. If a gear tooth is broken, swap to a matched replacement. If solder joints look cracked, reflow them carefully with a fine-tip iron. Clean corrosion with isopropyl alcohol and apply a light synthetic grease to gear teeth. This reduces future wear and you're ready to reassemble. Reseat every connector exactly as in your reference photos and tighten screws evenly so the shell sits flush. Power on the bot on a bench with props in place and run the head calibration routine. Watch for smooth motion and correct sensor feedback. Make fine alignment adjustments if needed, then reattach the battery. If you still see errors, focus on one key troubleshooting tip. Verify battery voltage under load and recheck any suspect solder joints or misaligned sensors before repeating calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.